Calamity happened on Sunday morning for Koko, Warri North local government of Delta State, as unspecified number of people die following petrol tanker explosion. Our Tory person Ifunanya Okweze come carry waka go the scene of the explosion to see the damage wey the explosion caused and to hear from the people wetin happen and also to know wetin make the tanker fall.
We for TMC, we don carry waka come Delta State. After Ologbo, you see the bridge, and after the bridge, you can see before Koko Junction. And a very sad incident happened for here yesterday when truck, when it carried fuel, can't fall, and before you know, it can cause explosion. And the explosion, it can affect so many cars. You'll see cars everywhere. Affect people. As we talk now, you go see say the river, the water, they flow, more dead body, they come out. So many people still they look for their sister, their brother, their relative, and their children. And some people, when it still get power, because Belen no sue them at all, say that they grieve, that they mourn. When they talk to us, say Belen no just sue them at all. Say this thing, they go feel advert them if the government, the state government, the federal government, the local government, if they come together, they go fit stop this thing, because say now the bad road when it dey here now make the truck fall, and when the truck fall it can't explode. And when you go see cars, you go see trailers, you go see machines, you go see goods, property when it worth millions of naira when it don't destroy. And when you look around, you go see the fire it go far, go a long way. Now because we for TMC come carry waka come here to see with our eye.
This one they still find their person. Nobody inside.
Saturday night, we just hear that a tanker fall. Before we know, we see fire. I don't know what caused the fire. Whether the people that hold the tanker that put the fire, we don't know how the fire started. Especially we just see fire. Because I'm living in the neighboring village here at the Koko Junction here. That is how I see the incident. I cannot say, because some people, some die inside the bush. Some people are still looking for their people now. Maybe some they rush some to the hospital out of even yesterday, that day night, and even yesterday, some of them was deposited in the hospital since yesterday. I don't know. We cannot measure now, because even now we see other dead body along the road here. We cannot measure. We cannot measure. We are tired of this country.
What happened? We are coming back on Friday in the night from Warri. We are coming back with load. So this don't go to motor get problem for road. As the motor get, nobody say the driver no sabi drive away. Nobody today they drive, but the road no good. That's why the motor they get problem for there. So as we come, our motor self don't get problem for the same place. We just manage now. Only God carry us come here, park for here. One motor, one tanker, he come around 9 o'clock in the night. He was coming back from Warri. He want to pass. That's the same place. As the man they carry motor come, I saw the motor do. As the motor go like this, the motor no come back. The motor fall. Around 9 o'clock, the fuel was dropping inside the motor for inside river there. And the river was flowing, bring the fuel come here. Our motor get problem. Nowhere we carry motor. Even we won't carry our motor come. Motor way they here. No, you can never even move your motor from here to here because of hold up. The other lane and this lane, hold up too much. Nowhere to move. Before we know what they happen, the people where they come, they fetch fuel. As the water they carry the fuel come, the people where they fetch fuel. Before we know, we dey inside motor, now so we just hear boom, fire. So from there, everybody they look for in life. Nobody stop again. Everybody go. Make government help. We they suffer. I beg them. Make them help us. The road, and we don't need anything. We don't say make them give us money. God now in the feed everybody, but make them try about. No road for Nigeria. Road no day now, oga. Road no day now. Now we dey waka. If you see me for Warri today, tomorrow you go see me for Port Harcourt. Next tomorrow you go see me for Calabar. Next tomorrow you see me for Kano, Lagos. If road day, you dey move from Lagos one day you go straight there, but now you go reach 4 days for road. Wetin person dey do for road? All your money, everything go finish. You go dey suffer for road like say you dey beg for the beggar. Make them abeg, I dey beg them, make them help us repair road. All this road made them help us repair. I beg.
So we are so surprised about this road. We have been suffering about this road. At least that is similar things like this. That is what government needs. Look at people now. Roads died. But I believe by like this now, they will be rushed to do it. Is it how we go to government ourselves? Where we will bear it, whatever it is. Bros, I don't have much to say. Just please.
Now, the motor go reach 100,000. So I don't buy this motor 35 for scrap now. So for person mina condemn ayo da buy superior condemn ayo. So I don't buy the person you never say for me. So now I don't add 2,000 na 37. You don't get it done sell for me.
I go load from Kano to Wari. By that time you are coming here, but we no see that hold up. You there for that place. Before you know hold up come see us. No green motor go front, no green motor come back. Then we are staying for that place. Then one trailer they come they fall. Before you know the fuel come throw away for the ground. Many people they come carry that fuel now. Me that time I see my conductor, I say don't go anywhere because that fuel now is not good. Let us see what happened for the front. He said no problem. Then I stay. Before I know, then the fire catch. Before I know, my motor don't catch the fire. Just I can't come out. I beg, we are calling the government to come and help us and repair this road for us. I beg, we are begging the government. My motor, you know, the repairer. Now seller, they sell it like that.
How much you are going to sell now?
Now I told them, now, even at 250,000, you say, you know, the agree buy them like that. Now 30, 35, you they come cost. But that last week, some people come buy this motor, 3.2. We never agree sell them. You say, Mona, they buy 84,000, 4 million. But now they come, I want to sell it. Even 100,000, you know, they reach. No. I don't feel better. I don't feel better. Many people die, but now we see some of the 30 people for here. Some people, they can't carry on. Remain two, you there for this place. You don't leave it for there. You never carry on up to now. Many people die. You don't enter inside water.
It's a very sorry situation, very painful experience. This road has been like this for many years now. The major road when it connects the south to the west. This is the only major road, if I'm not mistaken, that connect the south to the west. Now they like this for many years now. Nobody is talking anything. The other day I was coming, a truck filled with rice, just, you know. Then the lives when they go on daily basis for this road is too much. It's too much. I don't know what the federal government is doing. At the time I go out, they will say they don't award the contract. Who they award to? They not get name. Those where they award, they not they monitor the contract where they award. Eh? So the thing, I don't know. I don't know if the federal government should do something.
What do you talk concerning the SAT incident we happened yesterday?
The SAT is too. I don't know. It's a very bad experience. It's a very bad experience because the life when go down and not be here. And I still the bad road now resort to this thing. The bad road. Oh, even though yes, the people want to go take fuel. Even though yes, we will not support that. But at the time, if the road is okay, if the road is fine for this numbers of years when the road not there like this, if they don't attend to this road, I believe this thing will not happen.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From TMC TV studio, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.